What's up, it says. In this video, I'm giving you access to Module 1 of my course, where I break down how to start making money with AI tools. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to create your first income stream using tools you already have access to. Let's go. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Lab. Let's dive into AI-driven business strategies. Don't forget to unlock the next module to continue your journey. What is AI and why should you care? Artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, is an umbrella term for any machine or software that is capable of mimicking human intelligence. From solving problems, learning from data, and making decisions to predicting trends and understanding natural language, AI systems are designed to be adaptive and innovative. Why should you care about AI? AI isn't just something for large corporations or tech giants. In fact, every business today can benefit from integrating AI, no matter the size. Imagine AI tools as your secret weapon that helps you make smarter decisions faster and automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on scaling your business. Take Netflix's recommendation system, for example. This system collects data on your viewing preferences, analyzes it, and suggests shows or movies you might like. It's AI at work. But AI doesn't stop at recommendations. It's driving business in every industry, from healthcare and logistics to education and retail, the real-world impact. Think of AI's role in marketing. In digital marketing, AI is the key player in targeting audiences with tailored ads. Using behavioral data and machine learning algorithms, AI can predict consumer interests, personalize content, and increase conversions on digital campaigns. Let's break it down. Data collection. AI tools collect and analyze massive amounts of data. Decision making. AI can make decisions in real time based on collected data like product recommendations or personalized ads. Automation. AI can automate time-consuming processes, such as answering customer queries or generating content. You can already see how powerful AI can be, but let's get into the business models. These are the foundations of what makes AI so lucrative for businesses today. Profitable AI business models. AI-driven content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney can create high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media posts, and even email marketing campaigns. Think of it as having an assistant that works for you 24/7. Example, let's say you run a digital marketing agency. With AI, you can generate client proposals, create blog posts on demand, and write social media captions all in a fraction of the time it would take to do manually. AI-powered e-commerce. AI can help you optimize product listings using tools like Canva AI to create high-converting product photos, descriptions, and marketing materials. AI is also used to forecast demand, helping businesses make smarter purchasing decisions. Example, running an e-commerce store. AI can analyze purchase patterns and recommend products to upsell or cross-sell to your customers based on their browsing behavior. AI-powered services. There's a growing demand for AI-powered services like AI chatbots for customer support and virtual assistants. These services help businesses reduce operational costs while providing 24/7 support to customers. Example, launch a chatbot business. You can sell customized chatbots to small businesses, enabling them to handle customer service inquiries automatically. The reality is AI is already here, and it's not just a buzzword. From content creation to AI-driven services, we're seeing huge opportunities for entrepreneurs like you to build profitable businesses quickly. Great job! You've completed the first step of your AI-driven business journey. Click below to access the next lesson and take your business to the next level.
Did you love this? This is just the beginning. Get the full course and learn how to automate, scale, and dominate with AI tools. Link is in the description. Let's make this year your breakthrough year. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more and click on the link for part 2.